Today we going to show you how to do the Evolis KC200 or KC Prime cleaning cycles. In this cleaning cycles process, need to prepare one long T card, one adhesive short card and one cleaning swab. First you need to do is remove the current card. Keep inside the box. When you withdraw the card, put it inside the box for safekeeping because if the card gets scratched, your printouts won't look good. Now open the printer cover and take out the ribbon and the gap here. Set the alignment from thickness, go to maximum, then take one long card. We call it T card and both sides are same thing. Double click 2x the button, so we can hear them and you can see the light blinking. Here, you need to ensure that the long T card is fully inserted into the printer. And the long T card cleaning process will take 1 minute. Then, in the second step, take out the short card. Stick the surface face up. You see the T card movement, we're trying to clean out the roller inside. Cleaning process will take around 1 minute, then it will eject the T card. You see the long T card, both are very dirty. Now remove the sticky adhesive. Sticky surface up. Sticky short card go inside. And wait the cleaning cycles done. Short card cleaning will take around 20 seconds. We picked up the short card, so now have stick all the dust from the roller and print head. So last we use the cleaning swab to clean the print head. This is the print head. And then use the cleaning swab, clean the print head in one direction. At here you need to wait 5 to 10 seconds to let the print head dry. Put back the ribbon. You can put back the card first, lets the print head dry first. Put the card in, and make sure it's flat in position. Before you place your card into the hopper, remember to shuffle your cards. Ensure your card is correctly aligned and fully inserted. And here remember to set back your card alignment. The final step is close the print head cover and secure the hopper stacker and wait in place and the cleaning cycles is done.